Bonjour. Hey y'all. I hope you can hear me over the air conditioning. 2 years in, and I'm finally at 500 subscribers. If you're new here to the channel, hi, I'm Miss K, and I like to do what I call culinary adventures. I like to cook new recipes, experiment in the kitchen, and just see kind of what will happen if we change things a little bit or add something new. So if you're into that, please join us by clicking the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell so that you'll get notified of new videos when they come up. We've made it to 500 subscribers. It took 2 years to get here, but I can't believe there's 400 plus strangers that want to follow me. I didn't tell my friends and family until recently that I even had a YouTube channel. I just wanted to see what would happen. I'm excited. So today I'm making coleslaw and pulled pork. One of my cousins is coming into town to visit, and my niece is here. She's off of school for summer break, so she's here to visit. I don't know what I'm going to post next. Let me know. If you haven't gone over to Facebook to join the Facebook group, please do that. And if there's something you'd like to see me cook, put it down in the comments. And thank you so much for subscribing. Share videos with your friends if you think they're helpful. Yeah, thank you guys. I'm really excited about this. Let's see what kind of kitchen adventures we can get into next, huh? I'm also planning to launch a website soon so that if you want the recipes in print, you'll be able to get them there. So be sure to look for that in the near future. And I hope everybody has a great day. Have a great summer. Stay cool. I know it's hot here where we live. Enjoy some time with your family. I love this time of year because we all seem to slow down and we take vacations and the kids are out of school. Enjoy those kids because they grow up too fast. I digress. Thank you very much for joining me here, and I look forward to making more videos in the future. I hope everyone has a great day. Au revoir. And bon appetit!